All right, welcome back. We are on lesson 3 of the Circuit Playground, level 2. And this is going to be one where you hypothesize what you think is going to happen. So our circuit board should be plugged in. And I can tell that because the red LED light is on. And okay, so looking at our screen, it says using events, look at the code with a partner and discuss what you think it will do. Once you have answered the question, click Run to see the program's result. Make sure your circuit playground is plugged in. All right, so looking at this, we have our app which says click me, and then we have our run button, but we can't click on our run button until we put in an answer here. What do we think this does? So it says on event LED button, click LED on. Okay. So if I come over here, there's just one thing in the app and it tells us it's called LED button. So I know that this button right here is this button right here because you can see the ID says LED button. So when we click the LED button, the LED dot on should be activated. All right. So I believe that that's what's going to happen. So when we, oh, all right. So I actually already typed this in and then I deleted my answer. Um, so, let's try this. I might have to refresh the page. Let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. All right, so here we go. So now I believe that when I click the LED button on the app, the LED light on the circuit board or the circuit playground, I'll call it that, will turn on. All right, so once you do that, you're going to put in your answer. And then you're going to click on Run. Now, when you do that, it's going to lock in your answer. So make sure you type in the answer that you want to show me before you click on Run. All right, so once I click on Run, that's locked in. Now I can click on the Click Me, and we're going to see what happens to the circuit board. Here we go. All right, and the red LED light is on. So, seems to work. All right. I'm curious what would happen if, let's see, I'm looking for the LED dot off. I want to see what would happen. Hmm, it may not be in here yet. Sometimes it doesn't show us all the things that we want to use, and that's okay. But we see a red LED light. It's on. I think that's what happened. So we're going to click on the orange finish button and move on to level 3. Here we go. Oh, okay. It says congratulations, I completed puzzle 2. So I must have done it right. Here we go. All right.